Welcome to Data World Solution, your trusted hub for data engineering, analytics, and cloud technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Databricks session. I hope you're doing very well. In today's session, we are going to learn how to sort data in PySpark using Databricks. Sorting is a very common operation in real-world data engineering project, whether you are preparing report, finding top performance product, analyzing sales trend. So in this session, we will cover sorting data in ascending and descending order, finding top and record, sorting using multiple column, and sorting with different order for each column. So let's get started. First step, let us create data frame for demonstration purpose by reading table from our catalog. This is a famous table called Global Superstore available in internet openly. Let me run this code and display the result. It contains sales related information such as order date, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, region, category, subcategory, and sales related information, sales and profit, quantity, discount. So before applying any transformation, it is a good practice to display data and understand the structure of data. As a data engineer, never blindly apply transformation without checking the data first. Okay, now let us perform sort of this data frame. To do that, let's use here data frame variable df dot sort method, and let me specify here column in string. You can also specify using column attribute df dot column name. Okay, and let me also use here display function to preview of result, and let me run this and let's wait for result. Here you can see here fetching the result, and if I go to here sales column, it's quite clear that by default Spark sort in ascending order, means lower amount come first and higher amount come later in data frame row. Okay, in result set. Okay, now let us sort in descending order. Okay, so what if I want to sort this data frame in descending order? To do that, let me use here df data frame variable dot sort and specify here column name which you want to sort by. Here for example sales column, and now pass here second argument which is ascending equal to false. Okay, and let me use here dot display to preview of result, and now let me run it and let's wait for result. And as you see this result, go to here sales column, and you can see here the higher amount come first and lower amount come last. Okay, now let's move on to very common real world requirement. What if we want to find the top 10 sales from this data frame? Okay, to do that we need to sort this data frame say by sales in descending order. Let's use here sort method and pass here sales, and also pass here second argument which is ascending equal to false. Okay, and then we need to use here limit method which is the part of data frame API, and let's suppose we want to find here top 10, then we need to pass here argument 10, and let us suppose if we want to find only top 5, then we need to specify here 5. Okay, so let's specify here 10, and this the limit the result show in the only 10 okay records. So let me also use here display function, and this is auto completed. Let me remove this. Okay, and let's run this. Okay, and you can see here it's written only 10 records. And if we go to here sales column, and you can see here it's written only top 10 sales record. Okay, now let's move on to another example, sort using multiple column. Sort does not always happen on single column, so let me sort this data frame by state and sales. Okay, in descending order. Okay, to do that let me use here df dot sort method, and let me specify here column name state and comma sales. Okay, and specify here second argument, which is ascending equal to false, and let me also use here only two column in select statement, state and sales. Let me press here tab to autocomplete, and let me also use here display function. Okay, so sorting always happen on left to right. It means data frame first sort this state wise in alphanumeric order in descending order, because we pass here second argument ascending equal to false, and then after state it sort by sales. So let me run this and let's analyze here result set. Okay, you can see here it's sort by state in alphanumeric order in descending order. You can see here first sort by this state and then this state, and then it's sort by another state. Okay, West Virginia and then Washington. Okay, you can see here, and each state come first sales higher amount and then in lower amount in consecutive order. Okay, this is useful when you want to state wise sales analysis. As you see here, this data frame is sorted both column in descending order. Now what if we want to sort this first column in ascending order and second column in descending order? To do that, let me use here, see here example df dot, we need to use here sort, and here string column string name is not possible to sort in different order. To do that, we need to use here data frame attribute. So let me use here dot notation, df dot, let me suppose here order date. Okay, which we want to sort in ascending order, asc. Okay, and then second column we want to sort in descending order. Okay, let me use here dsc. Okay, and remove here, and let me display this function. Let me also use here select method to select only two column for clarity purpose. Okay, so order date and sales, and let me use here display function. Here d is in caps letter, we need to write here. Okay, let me execute, and you can see here the result. This method sort this order date in first ascending order, means older date come first, and here sales in descending order, it means higher amount come first and lower amount come last. Okay, and this is the first method. You can also use here square bracket notation. Okay, so if we want to use here square bracket without dot, we can also use, remove this dot. Okay, and let me show you. Okay, and put this in quote. Okay, and let me run this. This produce same result. Okay, so let's quickly summarize what we learned today. We learned how to sort data in PySpark, ascending and descending order, finding top and record, and sorting with multiple column, and see here real world business use cases. Okay,
If you find this content helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more practical learning, share it with others.